Okay, are you gonna start your egg hunting now?
Oh
Wait lang.
yeah!
Okay. Let's see if you can find one. Look up! Look up! Look up! I'm giving you a hint.
Can you hold it? Ew, get off of it. Can I see what's inside?
Okay, you gotta check all the. There's more. Can't you see?
Okay, wait, Mom. Hold it.
You gotta look up, Kayla.
Oh, I found it. Oh, yeah.
There's more.
Another one, Mommy. I already saw that. Oh, come on. See, is it that high?
Okay, let me help you.
I need help. I found 3 eggs now.
Okay.
Can we go inside more?
You gotta look before you enter. Did you see one? One more?
Yes, I need help.
Can't you reach it?
No, I need help.
Okay. Gotta start. No.
I'm gonna get Joe. Okay.
Careful.
Okay, never mind. Okay, I'll go get this. Yay.
Look up there. Look up there.
Oh, yeah. I found one, Mom.
Where?
I found one right there. And right there. And right there.
Come on, hurry up. Because you gotta find your basket. That's the main thing.
What?
Yeah.
I still have to find that thing?
Bonnie left you a basket full of gifts.
I see another one. Look over by Nino.
Yeah, I saw that. And I saw that. And I saw that. And I saw one guy that
Okay.
talked.
Careful.
Kailan? Tulungan mo naman. Okay. Can you reach that one?
No.
You gotta ask Lolo to get it for you.
Can you please? And the one by the clock.
Where?
By the clock.
Oh, there's one.
Daddy has a secret egg.
for Nino, especially. It's your egg. See what
See?
it is.
Right there and right there.
Thank you, Daddy. That's it.
Take care of the picture. What happened? See what you
What
got.
is that? What did you get?
20 bucks. Dad, I need 500 bucks, you know.
Let me see.
Mm.
Oh, 20 bucks.
Dad,
What?
I love you, Dad. Give me money.
Check
You just-
around?
Ay, kabayo. Come on. That
See
one, she
anything
can...
outside?
Yeah, she got everything from outside.
Can you get it for me?
Where?
Please.
Okay.
Please? I found the egg. I found the egg.
Where?
Another one.
Right there, right there, right there.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you get it, please? And open it behind him.
Okay.
Oh, Nino, you say hi to Lola Shirley.
And you say hi to Lola Shirley.
Hi, Graham. I love you.
I think I see another one, Peppy. Don't try to steal it either, Peppy. Just look straight.
Found it. And found another one.
Which one?
Uh,
Right there.
Okay. Go check Nino's room.
Oh, there's one more over there, I think.
Where?
Right there, oh.
Where?
But she can't reach that one.
Oh.
Where?
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 Where? I can't see it.
Look up,
Oh,
up.
right there.
God. Peppy, this isn't for you, Peppy. What about the ones outside?
Yeah, she got everything.
All of them?
Yeah. Okay, now, do you
Yeah.
want to go upstairs?
I think there's more
There's more
upstairs.
here.
Thank you.
Oh, I see one right here.
Wait a minute.
Oh, that's a lot of eggs, okay.
Look out the window.
Oh.
Peppy, look out. I'll get it though. Come on, move.
I will check your name.
Poppy is egg hunting too. Kayla, what did you find? Uh-oh.
What is
Did
that?
you like that?
Pictures? Good.
Huh? How about the eggs, Kayla?
There's still more.
Are you done? There's more eggs.
Look at Nino's room.
Stop.
Look at Nino's room. That was it, I think.
That's it, Kay. That's it, Kayla. There, look what Lolo.
Okay, go count your eggs. Come on.
Okay, come on, count your eggs.
I should tell you what the money is.
I think that was it. Good job.
No more, Kay. That's it. Come on, let's bring your big basket downstairs.
Oh, yeah.
Could you carry it?
No. I didn't say open.
What
Daddy
about
told
outside?
me.
What about outside?
Huh?
What about outside?
What?
I think she got everything from outside.
I found a dozen.
You think there's more than that?
A dozen? Okay, count your eggs out.
I thought there was more outside.
Come on,
The ones
count
outside?
count your eggs.
Count them up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
See, I told you it's true.
Oh, I think that's it.
Okay, you wanna open your egg,
Say
Kayla?
hi to Lola
See what's
Shirley.
inside.
Hi.
Hi, Lola. Happy Easter, Lola. Kayla.
Happy Easter, Lola.
Show her your basket.
Come on, carry your basket. Show it. Show it on the camera.
Did I cover my head?
Okay.
Ooh.
You like
wanna
it?
open it?
Did you like it?
Yes, guys.
Okay, you want to open it? Make sure Nina doesn't steal it either. Because I know I've seen her looking at it. hens or eggs too.
Papi, where's your Easter basket, Pop? Papi, where's your Easter basket? Huh? Where is it? Come on. Come on. How about you, boy? Where's your Easter egg? Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Boy. Oh, boy, where's your basket? Did you get a basket from Daddy? How about you, Papi? Okay. Open your basket now, okay?
Ba't pinapagpag mo, Kay? Buksan mo lang na gano'n yun. Ay.
Okay, did you have fun?
There's more money and I still gotta
Did
get
you have fun?
Yes! Kain ka muna. Nanay!
What will you tell Lolo then?
Thank you.
Lolo, Daddy.
I know he did this.
Han? She's saying something.
Thank you.
Huwag puppukin.
Nanay!
Babasag yan.
Nanay!
Okay. That's it.